Namaste. Welcome to Swami Vivekananda Yoga channel. Yoga means union, connection and joining. Yujyate anena iti yogaha. Yoga is that which joins. Union with what? Connection with whom? Union with divine is yoga. Connection with God is yoga. Why do we need to become one with God? The happiness that we are experiencing from this world is momentary, temporary, transient and ephemeral. The happiness that you get when you become one with God is eternal happiness, bliss. According to sage Patanjali, who is a compiler of yoga, father of yoga, yogaha chittavritti nirodha. Yoga is a conscious process to gain mastery over the mind. Yoga is a science to achieve control over the mind. Do you know what is mind? Mind is nothing but conglomeration of thoughts, collection of thoughts. Do you have freedom from your mind? Are you able to manage your thoughts? Are you able to manage your emotions? Do you have control over your thoughts? If it is no, then you must embrace yoga in your life. According to Bhagavad Gita, Samatvam Uchyate Yoga, 2nd chapter, 48th shloka. Equanimity of mind is yoga. Remaining equanimous in success or failure is yoga. This world is a mixture of pair of opposites, dualities, darkness, lightness, pain, pleasure, success, failure, appreciation, criticism. So we are not equanimous with these pair of opposites. When you are happy, you are not equanimous, you are excited, you are elated, you jump, dance, shout and scream. When you are not happy, you are disappointed, you are hurt, you are upset, you cry, you are depressed. So you are not able to be equanimous with these dualities. So yoga means going beyond these dualities, transcending the mind, transcending these dualities is yoga. Yogaha karmasu kaushalam, 2nd chapter, 50th shloka. Yoga is dexterity in action. Yoga is efficiency in action. I'll give an example to understand this definition clearly. Lot of times you must have searched for your mobile in your home. Although you had placed your mobile at a particular place, you did not find your mobile immediately. What happened there? Your mind was scattered, your mind was distracted while keeping the mobile. That led to inefficiency in action. Mana prashamanopaya yoga ithyabhidiyate. Yoga is a skillful trick to calm down the mind. Yoga is a tool to tranquil the mind. So this is from Yoga Vasishta, one of the best texts on yoga. Vast majority of the people in this world are stuck at Surya Namaskara, Asana and Pranayama. They are not able to go beyond these practices. Restoration of health, decline in your stress levels, de-aging are byproducts of yoga. The final product, ultimate aim of yoga is self-realization, moksha or freedom from miseries and sufferings of life. Yoga is not a physical exercise. Yoga is a way of life. Yoga is nothing to do with religion. If you are a Hindu, you become better Hindu by doing yoga. If you are a Muslim, you become better Muslim. If you are a Christian, you become better Christian by doing yoga. Tasmat yogi bhava Arjuna. This is revealed by Sri Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. May you be a yogi or yogini in your life. In order to become yogi or yogini in your life, you must follow the teachings of sage Patanjali, Bhagavad Gita and philosophy of Swami Vivekananda. You must practice meditation, selfless service, repetition of God's name, self-study, self-enquiry and holy company. Besides asana, pranayama and Surya Namaskara for self-realization or Atma Sakshatkara. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you really like this, share and subscribe. Thank you. Jai Ramakrishna.